What's up, everybody? It is your coach, Shawn. Today, I got 10 do's and don'ts for beginners that will help you accelerate you towards your fitness goals. These 10 things are important for beginners because there's so much conflicting information out there, but if you stick with these 10 things, it should keep you in line with achieving your goals. All right, starting off, do put a rep into that like button. Don't put a rep into that dislike button. I'm waiting. All right, number 1, do learn good exercise form. Don't sacrifice form for heavier weight. Practicing good form is very important, not just to avoid injury, but also if you have good form, you're more likely to involve more muscles in your body and greater results from doing those exercises. Number 2, do surround yourself with people who are fit or are in the process of becoming fit. Don't surround yourself with negative people who are just going to bring you down. You know what the saying is, you are or you become the people you surround yourself with. And also, it provides another layer of accountability. All right, number 3, do plan out your workouts. Don't wing it. I see so many people all the time in the gym doing random exercises. They do not have a clue why they are doing certain things. Don't be that person. Number 4, do write down your goals. Don't think that you don't need to. Make sure your goals are specific and think of your written goals as another tool to help motivate you for when you don't feel like working out or you do not feel like eating correctly. Number 5, do learn how to correctly track your macros. Don't delve into the fad diets. For one, no matter what kind of diet you do, it's all about the calories in, calories out. That's going to determine the outcome of how fit you will be. Plus, all the fad diets are usually more complicated and more difficult to go through than just the calories in versus calories out or learning how to track your macros correctly. Number 6, do find physical activities you enjoy doing for cardio. Don't just trot on a treadmill because, let's be real, it is boring. The fact is, you are more likely to do things you like consistently if you enjoy doing them. And of course, the opposite is true. If you don't like doing something, you are less likely to continue to do it. Number 7, when you're at the gym, do put your weights away. Don't be that guy. And yes, I emphasize guy because I have never seen a girl leave her equipment out on the floor at the gym. Not only is this kind of like disrespectful and most other gym members will not like it at all, but it's being lazy. And if you're being lazy at the gym, not putting your weights away, then you're most likely being lazy with your nutrition and your other fitness aspects. Number 8, do continue to do what you're doing now, and that is educating yourself. Don't fail to implement what you learned. You should be looking not only into my channel for information, but other channels as well, such as Athlete X. He's another great content creator, very educational. I highly recommend him. But the key to getting the results fast is implementing what you learn right away. Number 9, do invest into a good multivitamin. Don't waste your money on a bunch of... This right here is actually the multivitamin I take. They also make one for women as well. There's a lot of other supplements out there, like protein, for instance, the protein supplements. One brand might be very good for you. The other brand might be filled with like fillers and junk. So do your research and pick out what works for you the best. Last one here, number 10. Do go by this formula. Decisions into actions into feelings. Do not go by this formula. Feelings into actions into decision. The whole point of this is don't let your feelings make your decisions for you. Use your head. There you have it, your 10 do's and don'ts of fitness. Don't forget to rep out that like button. Do it till it turns blue. And also, if you want to learn more about how to start your fitness journey out right, what things you should and shouldn't do, other information like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, I will see you next time.